They tell una, when una do the right thing when you come other people's countries, but you say no. Now, it's no more in news that they are closing Nigerians' shop in Ghana. Yes, the Ghanaians are closing Nigerians' shops, especially those people who are doing spare parts. Well, guys, I have with me proof of what I'm talking about, guys. Let's jump into the video and hear it for ourselves. I be that they warn una, they tell una, I'm not gonna take them easy when you come somebody's country, but you said no, you they beat your chest, you think say you get right. When you go do, you go do whatever you want to do for another man country. Now, Kasala don't boss. We go see how una go open una store. We go see. I be una try them. Now, you they carry your eyes, they see what they happen to you. You think say Ghanaians cannot do anything, Abi, you underestimated them. Now, they show you waiting they are capable of doing, guys. Let's get right into the video and I'll be right back.
My people, everywhere, good, who say, man, no day, man, no day. Ghana, 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 what's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? What's it? Yeah! 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 Gano! Say! Gano! Say! Aye! You cry!
What was it,
Right! Breaking news! Abosokai Spare Parts Dealers Association are to enforce, listen carefully, are to enforce GIPC law tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. I am just coming from there. Are to enforce GIPC law tomorrow on foreign traders. So, if you know you are a foreigner, if you know you are a foreigner and you are doing retail at Abosokai, whether you are Nigerian, no, whether you are Nigerian, no, whether you are Nigerian, no,
What was it,
you will lock your shop. You will cry. Since you people, they thought that swagger. Tomorrow, you will cry. They will lock your shop. Nothing anybody see you. Tomorrow, I said, as a young president, I am here. I am going to Abosokai. So,
What was it,
at 8 o'clock a.m., exercise go start. So, yes, since you people say, we are mumu, nothing we feel do. We go show you, say, we go do something. Yes. This is next president, and I will continue to be next president. You people, you will cry. Say that social media, they do
What was it,
cry. Yes. Steam. Power to the ash.
What was it,
Cry. They will lock your shop tomorrow. 8 o'clock. Monday.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael Agbatokoba Bonages, aka Barrister. I bring you news and I bring you facts. Right now, as I'm talking to you right now at Accra, Abosokai, right now, Nigerian shops have been locked down. Some of the Nigerian shops have been locked down. Ghanaians are locking Nigerian shops as I'm talking to you right now. If you know anybody living in Ghana who is into spare part business at Abosokai, kindly call and cross-check. They have locked down their shop right now as I'm talking to you due to the law, due to the enactment in the constitution that said that foreigners are supposed to have a certain amount of money before being into retail business.
Okay, so for those of you that don't know what's up, what is happening, like if Nigerians have not showed you pepper in your country before, if they've not shown you pepper, that's when you go sit down like this, the people say, oh, why are Ghanaians closing their shops? Why are they? If you know how these people they deal with Ghanaians in their own country, if you know that they fight Ghanaians like say them and Ghanaians are from Ghana, I don't know. So now Ghanaians are saying, I beg, we will not leave our country as you know they work now. Now For them to be closing the stores, you should know say the government approve everything now. If not, nobody go have right make them go close shops now. You think say Ghanaian government no dey listen to their citizens? They listen though. Sometimes it might take time for them to act, but at last they are acting. Now who go suffer? Who go suffer am? Who go suffer am? I bet una dey support those people who go sit down for US, for UK, for Dubai, for blah blah, for Nigeria, for some zongo. Una dey support them as they come out, they keep their dirty camera in front of them, they talk, abi. And they tell una say, you better come out and be telling them to stop what they are doing. But una no listen. Now you see who they suffer am. You wey dey Ghana, wey get store for Ghana. When they talk for live video, they talk say Kumasi na toilet. Una no know. Kumasi won't be toilet. They act now. Let's see who is going to run out of cash, right? Abi, una they get money day by day. So now if they close your shop for like a month or 2 days, even though one day, you go lose because you and I know how expensive Ghana is. If you don't get money for 1 day, now trouble you there, now inside pit you day. You and I know this country is very expensive. So money gas flow every day. So if they close your shop, your eye go red, you go red. You go red, you no go sit down outside, they support. Yeah, you no go just sit down, fold your hands. I mean, they support those people where they talk talk anyhow. They don't even dey Ghana, but they sit down, they talk. We where they Ghana, we know waiting we go, waiting. We know our fears. Yes, let me put it that way. We know our fears. We are the ones here. We are the ones that will experience those things. That's why we are coming out and stopping those people from saying the trash they are saying. But you guys will come and be saying, so many people insult my mouth, they insult my eye, they insult everything. They even say that sickness, what they do, I go die on top of that sickness. Now, when I see the reason why we they come out, they talk, say we tell them say, no be waiting they happen, they don't understand waiting they happen for Ghana. When they tell them waiting they happen for Ghana, make them take an easier bill. They tell them say, now we cause the problems. Now you see. The reason why we they come out, they talk all those things, Abi. At least now you go raise hand for us more. You go raise hand for us more now. But I'm sorry, it's too late. They are closing your shops, and there's nothing you guys can do about it. This money when I no go get today, you go run out of loss. That's what I care about right now. Or I'm doing for you guys. Abi, when I no get head, when I no get head. Those people they UK, they go their work. Some of them say get citizenship over there. Nobody go fit send them away. They go keep camera, they talk. You go there, they support them. You day your shop for Ghana, Ghanaians. Now Ghana made you who you are. Instead of them to appreciate them. Do you know that me as a Nigerian living in Ghana, if they ask me to leave today, I swear, I go go. I go go because I want them to have their peace. Yes, they've given me peace for all this while I'm here. If they say go, I go go. I don't go argue with them. To the extent that guy when they talk say in landlord say maybe they play music, the music loud, blah blah blah. And one of my comment was, for peace, my brother, no play music. Yes, do as the landlord say, just for you to live in peace and harmony with him. But so many people walk on top of my head, they talk say that why would the guy not play music that he paid for the house, for the accommodation? So why would the landlord ask him not to play? Me, I say for peace. Now when they see all this is what they do online, now it's beginning to affect you. It's beginning to affect you. You underestimated Ghanaians. Now they show you pepper and you guys cannot do anything about it. When I call those people when they are abroad, now make them give you money. Make them give you money when I go lose. For God knows how many days they go lock your shop. Who knows? Maybe forever. I beg. Let me smile. Today is my birthday, guys. Wish me happy birthday. Pray for me. Yes, pray for me, okay? I'm going to go on maybe 2 or 3 seconds silent. Yes, me. I will be silent, but you pray for me. Yes. Amen to all your prayers. I really appreciate it, guys. So this brings me to the end of my video. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.